Are there TikTok Shop Seller training programs? Yes, there are several TikTok Shop Seller training programs available for individuals and businesses who want to start selling on the platform. TikTok offers its own official training through the TikTok Seller University, which includes easy to follow video lessons and tutorials. These programs teach sellers how to set up a shop, upload products, manage inventory, and understand TikTok's e commerce policies. They are designed to make the process simple, especially for beginners entering the TikTok marketplace. Beyond TikTok's official resources, many online trainers and e commerce experts offer in depth TikTok shop courses. These focus on advanced topics like product marketing, influencer collaborations, live selling, and content optimization to drive conversions. Such training helps sellers master both the creative and technical sides of running a successful TikTok store. In real world practice, thousands of new sellers have used these programs to launch and grow profitable TikTok shops. They learn how to use viral trends, engaging videos, and data driven marketing to attract and retain customers. The training programs not only boost confidence but also shorten the learning curve, allowing sellers to start earning faster and scale their online business effectively. You can start using Helium 10 for free right now by clicking the link in our description. It gives you instant access to all the research and analytics tools you need to grow your Amazon FBA business.